Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, returning from the battle of Khaybar, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam laid over in between Khaybar and Medina Munawwara for 3 days and consummated with Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha, and I invited the Muslims to his wedding feast. There was no arrangement for the loaf of bread and meat, rather he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to spread the meal's meat, and the dates, the cheese and ghee were set on it. So it was his wedding feast. Some of the Muslims said, nobody knows whether she is one of the believers' mothers or the slave girls. Some of them remarked, if she was veiled, she will be one of the believers' mothers, but if she was not asked to veil, she will be counted as the slave girls. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam departed, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave her a place behind him, and a curtain was drawn between her and the people. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5085.